All right, I got a new project here. Danny boy brought down some junk for me to put together. I purposely told him to clean it before it came down, so that's clean.
Which is not. I can't remember you telling me that. I'd have cleaned them up.
You were smoking too much pot.
That's right, drinking too much pot, drinking too much
See,
beer.
look, this is perfectly clean material. See how much rust is on everything? Alright, so what are we doing on this one?
These are old trees.
Yeah, I can tell by how nice it works.
Yeah.
Looks like you cleaned that out too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Just you jammed that in about 4 threads, I can tell, because that's where the corrosion.
Stop that.
That's where all the dirt starts. Yeah, they're clean.
These are early, aren't they? They're hollow.
Not too early, but semi-early. These are tin cowling.
What's that?
Tin cowling instead of aluminum.
Oh, 10, yeah. No, mine.
Aluminum ones are cut right here for more turn lock.
Oh, okay.
They turn further.
So these are the right ones for my bike.
So I'm not sure what year they changed this out, but I've seen early ones with the notched ones. So I don't know if they changed in 58, 59 when they did swing arms. But all the rigid frames have the non-cut ones.
Non-cut ones. So this might be close to my 49.
So that's going to be 57 for sure. Is like that. Now the bolts here are big bolts, so that's late because the early ones had 3/8 bolts here.
Oh, okay.
So I forget what year they changed that, but it was somewhere in the early 50s they changed to the bigger bolt.
Okay.
So I know it's 52, 3, something like that. You go in the parts book, you can look there and it'll tell you what your bolts fit what years.
Yeah, I got a parts book at home.
Alright, so these are nice. Everything's nice and clean. I like that. Good job. Okay, so this is laying out in the street somewhere, it looks like. Alright, so we're going to have to clean. We'll have to do some cleaning now. Because Dan didn't do his job like he was supposed to. Alright, so the seal areas look like they're decent. Not too beat up. Okay. So the tubes fit inside of these?
I don't know.
Bolt right in. No problem.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem. Yeah, they go right in there, see?
Yeah.
No problem at all. Perfect. Alright.
They're not going in there, are they?
So that needs some help too. Okay. I like this piece the best. This one looks good.
Yeah.
Still got some black paint on it, not too much rust.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's good.
That's good.
It's clean too. Okay, this one has some oil on it, so it's not too bad. This one's not quite as good. But this has rust in there. That's brown in there for a reason.
Okay.
So, you did a good job, Dan. Got everything nice and clean. I like that. Alright, so we got a bunch of these to choose from. Which ones of these you want to use?
I'm going to take the condomed ones.
What about the lower nut piece?
Oh, I don't know which ones are good.
I don't know. Got a whole bunch of
I think I got 2 good ones here.
Okay, do those fit inside of the hole?
Yes. Oh, let me see.
See, everybody says yes when they actually meant I don't know.
Right. That's what I meant. No, I don't know.
What's this laying in my area here?
Let me get that from you.
We're going to get rid of this thing.
Oh, it goes halfway in.
So you're saying it fits right in like it's supposed to?
Yeah.
Except not. Okay. Is that because it's rusty or because you got other issues?
I think it's because it's got other issues.
Okay, what other issues we can deal with?
I think this is hitting.
Yeah, it probably is.
Wrong ones?
No. There's a flat on here for a reason.
Oh.
See that bolt right there?
Uh-huh.
There's one on the top.
Oh, okay, so it goes in there.
So the flat goes in there.
There, okay, I see.
So when the bolt goes all the way through, there's a flat spot. See how this boss is really fat?
Yeah.
That's because there's no flat spot in the tube.
Okay.
See how shallow this one is?
Yeah.
That's because there's a flat spot in the nest. There's your distance.
Oh, okay.
So you can have a 3/8 inch long bolt, but no more.
Okay.
And a lot of times these things go up so far up in there, the flat spot is not deep enough to hit
You
right
get
in the
hit there,
corner. I don't know why they make it where it's too short, but they always do. See how it's too short?
Yeah.
So you go in here with a grinder and you put a notch right there so it fits.
Okay, that's what, so that's why it wouldn't fit up in there.
So why does Harley make it where it doesn't go all the way up? I have no idea.
I don't know.
It's just, they do. You think they'd figure that out, but
All the millions of dollars they spent.
yeah. Now this one, someone put a hole through it.
Custom.
That's custom.
It's custom, isn't it?
It looks nice, but they got a hole
I think
in
those
it.
two are good. Those two up at the tops in.
They're good for something. See,
Oh, he's got a hole in it too.
see what happened when the bolt's in the wrong spot?
Yeah, wrong
So
spot.
that's called, you have to grind that back a little bit.
Okay. What do you do with that one?
And then see this one here,
Same
has the
thing.
same issue.
Same
see?
thing, yeah.
But it doesn't have that hole in there.
That one's got a hole in it.
That's a custom one. It's got that hole in
Got the
it.
hole all the way through it.
Yeah, that's special. That's going to be an oil leaker too. So it goes right in the oil gallery. There's actually an oil gallery up in there. There it is right there. See the
Yep,
hole?
I see it. Yep, I see it.
And that goes in between the baffle in here. See, the late bikes, you don't run any of this baffling. So you just let the oil go straight up through and right out.
Yeah.
And instead of having a
Well,
hole,
I gave you a pair that didn't have baffling on them.
and a lot of times they don't put the holes in here,
I gave you a pair that didn't have the baffling.
you know. And this has a felt inside of here,
Yeah.
so this is baffled.
Yeah, and same thing with this one. It's
So,
built inside
yeah,
there.
so you got, your vent doesn't puke oil out of it like the late bikes do.
Yeah.
These are got baffles in
Yeah.
them.
Do they need to be drilled out?
They need to be cleaned out. You're
Cleaned
supposed
out?
to clean the dirt out of all this stuff. Remember I told you you're supposed to clean this stuff down.
I don't know. I didn't think.
Oh, where'd that go?
It's gonna fit on there.
I don't know. Did you
I hope-
did you clean the threads off?
No, I
the
didn't
dirt
clean the
off?
threads off.
Did
Let me
you,
try it.
did you clean the muck out of
Let me
anything?
try it.
What, you don't think I can do it?
No, I'm trying it. Got muck on it, huh?
Oh, I don't know. It goes right on.
It goes right on, but it's got muck
It
on
just
it.
falls on there. Look at that. Yeah, perfect. It just falls in there. I'm thinking maybe there's some buildup
dirt.
in there. All right.
So we need to clean it all up.
Good job, Dan. Good job.
Yeah.
Could have done better myself.
So these are late rigid, huh?
Early.
Early rigid?
Well, it's rigid.
It's rigid. So is it early or late rigid?
It's late because it
It's got the big bolt holes.
has the big bolts in it. It doesn't have the studs in there,
Yeah, it
the
has
nuts on it. Because they had a stud in there with a nut.
Oh, is that what they had?
Yeah. This one took a bolt, a lock washer.
So what year do you think this is? 57? 55, 57?
I'm not sure what year they changed, but probably 52, 53, up to 57.
Oh, 52, 53.
So I don't know what year they went to the notch within here, but I'm guessing swing arm frame. But they didn't go to the aluminum cowling until 60, so
You know how much I paid for this at the swap meet?
probably paid too much.
40 bucks.
There you go.
I paid 40 bucks for this net right
Without
there.
shipping.
Without shipping.
Without shipping.
Well, I paid $10 to get it, $12 to get it. at a
There you
swap
go.
meet.
You paid 10 bucks in shipping. All right, so all this stuff here has to be cleaned so that the threads will be better than what it is.
I say, listen, on this right here, Tatro, I got this and this. I got this and this, but I need the housing, the outer part. You got the outer
cup?
part, the cup.
I don't have anything anymore. It's all in storage.
It's all in storage.
Yes.
Well, what about the controls for this? You got the controls right here.
No.
You don't?
No.
Oh shit! You ain't got nothing here, huh?
No. I ain't got squat. I got those.
These?
No, I got these.
Yeah, I got those.
I don't have any of this stuff. I think I got some grips somewhere.
Yeah, I need some grips.
Got some new tools I bought.
These are aftermarket. Pro Seal puller.
Yeah. A Master Link press tool. Fucking Motion Pro Seal. I thought that was going to be like a foot long. Yeah. Okay, 6 inches.
Maybe it folds out.
Well, I was going to use it for pulling seals, but I'm thinking this is for dinky seals, not real seals. So
Yeah, not
that'll
real
be
ones.
that'll be another test. All right, so we need to work on this stuff a little bit. So give me these, the 2 trays, and what else do we need? Give me those 2 chingachongis there.
These.
These here. Let's see what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to work on this stuff a little bit. All right, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna work over here now. I have a cleaning utensil over here. So it goes right in here. Throw it in there. Throw those up on top. I'm gonna lose them.
Whoop.
Oh, you scratched my paint.
Oh, scratch the paint.
Scratched my paint.
We're going to put these right
Up on
here.
top. Okay, we're gonna do a little blasting here, and we'll be back. And we're gonna use our beads right here. It's gonna make a lot of noise. There we go. Okay, got this stuff blasted. Got the holes blasted. Got that hole blasted, kind of. Oh, I didn't do this. I clean these up.
I got the good ones, huh?
They're better than they were. Blasted these holes here too. That we don't care about. This we're going to have to make sure it goes on that. And I blasted the inside of these out. They look a little cleaner in there now, Dan.
Yeah.
Still mucky way down in there though. And the dust is gone, the dirt's gone. Replaced with beads though. Alright, so that stuff's done. Alright, let's see if this works. Nope, not very well. And that one kind of goes in. There you go. Okay, pull that one out. See the marks in there? It's got a high spot in there somewhere.
Does it?
Probably got a hole right there.
That hole?
But this one here, it's not going to go in at all. Should it go in there?
No, it won't go in.
Okay. So that one's going to have to be spread out, or it's going to have to be honed out to make it go.
You sure this one goes in?
I doubt if it'll make any difference.
No, it goes in.
It's going in a little bit.
Yeah, it's going in there.
How far?
Nah, I can't get it out.
It went in about 3/4 of the way through. Okay, so these are close, but needs to be worked on a little bit.
Yeah, we're close.
Alright, so we're going to do a little sanding in there and try to knock those out. Okay, let's see if the tube fits in the hole there. Where's the top? This is the bottom, so this goes in there. They go in there now?
Yeah.
Okay. Check the other one.
Yeah.
Okay, got that working. Those all have to get cleaned. I didn't do anything blast inside of here, I forgot to. I'm about to blast that rust out of there. This one looks okay. This one we got rust in here, that's got to come out. Wouldn't hurt to do these either. Okay, so these go back in, I'm going to blast the inside. So I got to blast the thread on that one. And then,
Anything else?
no, that's it for that. And I gotta see how much muck is in that hole. Okay. So these we're gonna have to put a dye on. Okay, so this is 5/8 18 is what this is. Not sure what size that is. Same size, 5/8 18. That's a good sign. That's going in the hole.
Clean it up a little bit.
Well, it goes in the hole now. The thing want to go in this hole though.
Does that want to go in there?
I don't know. There's a lot of crap in that hole.
It should. Put them in there. They go in there.
Yeah, it goes until it stops right there.
Yeah, stop right there.
So 5/8 18 tap and dye. You got any of those?
Yeah.
Taking air. 115 pounds. It's getting hot in here. What's the temperature up to? It's gonna go up. 74. It's going up. Got the heater on right there, the air chiller. Okay, 5/8. 18 should be 5/8. Where's your part at? That's a tapered tap. It don't look like 5/8, so looks like 9/16. Where's 5/8 at? These are 5/8 over here.
Would you make that?
Nope, yeah, dude, that's the bottoming tap, see? See what goes in there? Another bottoming tap here. Alright, we're gonna play with that a little bit. And we need a die. It's a 16.
This isn't going in there, Tatro.
Yeah, well, there you go. This. That's coarse. There's our 18 right there.
That's not going in there.
Oh well, there you go. One of these, Will. Okay, let's go. Move it. Lathe. In there. Break it down. Not too much on those threads.
Okay.
Be careful. Enough. Alright. I got some more blasting to do. We'll be back.